'Neath ancient roots, the bear finds reprieve. The eagle soars, over rolling prairies weave. Stars and moon guide lost souls in night, and shadows lurk serpents hidden from sight. In a towering fortress, 'neath rulers' decree, in the blazing fire, secrets unravel free. Midst thorns and wine's dark refrain, in the poisoned chalice, destiny's domain. In this game of strife where deceptions entwine, in the realm of power, let destiny's light shine. Your seat is prepared, where each move quietly shapes the unfolding tapestry of power. Join the Conclave, where the intrigue of this political battle eagerly anticipates your presence.